Belinda kept records of how much candy her family ate. If they ate 8.5 bags one month, 9 3/10 of a bag the next month, and 8 7/10 of a bag in the third month, how much candy did they eat? When adding mixed numbers, you might find it helpful to stack the mixed numbers one on top of the other, like this. By doing so, you've left yourself room to the right of the question if you need to come up with a common denominator. I notice that 2 of my fractions already have denominators of 10, and the other one has a denominator of 2. So I'm going to change the fraction with a denominator of 2 to an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 10. I can do that by multiplying the first fraction by 5. So I've got 5/10, 3/10, 7/10. When you add the fractions, only add the numerators. 5 and 3 is 10, plus 5 is 15, over my common denominator of 10. Then go through and add your whole numbers together. 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is 25. It looks like my answer is 25 and 15/10. However, I can't leave it in this format since my numerator is greater than my denominator, or in other words, the fraction is an improper fraction. So what I'll want to do is pull out one whole from the 15 out of 10. You might want to think of it as 25 plus, of the 15, to pull out one whole, I'll have to take out 10 pieces, 10 out of 10 pieces. That will leave 5 pieces out of 10. I've shown it this way to show you that the 10 pieces I pulled out makes one whole, or 25 plus 1 plus 5/10. So my final answer would be 26 and 5/10. Again, I look at it one last time and realize that 5/10 can be reduced by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5. If you had seen this reduction earlier, you could have done it earlier and then pulled out your whole number. I'm getting an answer of 26 and 1/2.